A Theosophical Perspective on the Nature of Consciousness by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Theosophy delves into the complexities of consciousness, inviting individuals to explore the nature of their own awareness. This exploration can lead to profound insights regarding the self and the universe, fostering a deeper understanding of existence. By engaging with these concepts, individuals can cultivate a more expansive view of consciousness, enhancing their personal growth. Consciousness is often defined as the state of being aware of and able to think about one's own existence, thoughts and surroundings. In the context of Theosophy, consciousness transcends mere awareness. It encompasses a vast spectrum of experiences and states of being. Theosophical teachings suggest that consciousness is not a static entity, but rather a dynamic, evolving force that connects individuals to the greater cosmos. This perspective encourages individuals to view consciousness as a continuum, where each person's awareness is part of a larger, interconnected web of existence. Theosophy posits that consciousness operates on multiple levels, often referred to as layers or planes. These layers include the physical, emotional, mental and spiritual realms. Each layer represents a different aspect of human experience and contributes to the overall understanding of consciousness. The layers are here outlined. 1. Physical consciousness. This is the most basic level, rooted in sensory experiences and the material world. It involves awareness of the body and its interactions with the environment. 2. Emotional consciousness. This layer encompasses feelings, desires and emotional responses. It is where the individual experiences love, fear, joy and sorrow, influencing how they perceive themselves and others. 3. Mental consciousness. This level involves thoughts, beliefs and intellectual understanding. It is where reasoning and critical thinking occur, allowing individuals to analyze and interpret their experiences. 4. Spiritual consciousness. The highest layer, spiritual consciousness, connects individuals to the divine and the universal truths of existence. It transcends personal identity and fosters a sense of unity with all living beings. By recognizing these layers, individuals can better understand their own consciousness and the factors that shape their perceptions and experiences. Engaging with the nature of consciousness is often described as a journey of self-discovery. Theosophy encourages individuals to embark on this journey through various practices such as meditation, contemplation, and study of sacred texts. These practices serve as tools to quiet the mind, allowing deeper insights to emerge. Meditation. This practice helps individuals to focus inward, fostering a sense of stillness and clarity. Through meditation, one can observe thoughts and emotions without attachment, leading to a greater self-awareness and understanding. Contemplation. Contemplative practices encourage individuals to reflect on their experiences and beliefs. This reflection can reveal underlying patterns and motivations, promoting personal growth and transformation. Study of sacred texts. Theosophical literature offers profound insights into the nature of consciousness and existence. Engaging with these texts can inspire individuals to question their assumptions and expand their understanding of reality. Through these practices, individuals can uncover layers of their consciousness that may have previously gone unnoticed, leading to a more integrated and holistic sense of self. A central tenet of Theosophy is the idea of interconnectedness. The exploration of consciousness reveals that individual awareness is not isolated, but rather part of a larger collective consciousness. This interconnectedness fosters empathy and compassion, as individuals begin to recognize that their thoughts and actions have far-reaching effects on others and the world around them. Understanding this interconnectedness can lead to a profound sense of responsibility and stewardship for the planet and its inhabitants. It encourages individuals to act with kindness and consideration, recognizing that their personal growth contributes to the collective evolution of consciousness. Theosophy also posits that consciousness plays a crucial role in shaping reality. The beliefs and perceptions held by individuals can influence their experiences and interactions with the world. This concept aligns with the idea that thoughts are powerful and can manifest into tangible outcomes. By cultivating a positive and expansive consciousness, individuals can create a more harmonious reality for themselves and those around them. This understanding empowers individuals to take charge of their thoughts and beliefs, recognizing that they have the ability to shape their experience through conscious intention. In conclusion, exploring the nature of consciousness through the lens of Theosophy offers individuals a pathway to enlightenment and personal growth. By understanding the various layers of consciousness, engaging in self-discovery practices, and recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings, individuals can cultivate a deeper awareness of themselves and their place in the universe. This journey not only enhances personal development, but also contributes to the collective evolution of consciousness, fostering a more compassionate and harmonious world.